start. Let me now share with you some thoughts on how we look at science and technology. Let me assure you of our deep commitment to science, keeping in view the overall economic and industrial policies. We would like an enhanced stress on application and industrially oriented research. In that long run, this will help the scientific community itself because the main source of funding in the developed world is industry, whereas in India, less than about 13% of overall national expenditure on research and development is derived from the private sector industry. We are committed to local technology development. That is the reason why we are wanting scientists and industrialists to join together to take major project of commercial significance and importance. I am happy to note that the response is positive. I cannot see how India can develop into a global player in the international marketplace unless our technologies are indigenous. If we do not brace ourselves to the challenge of indigenous technology development, I am afraid that our scientists and technical personnel would turn into no more than a labor force of the industries of the other nations. Para, we do not have accept that eventuality at all. We do not be deterred by the ocean of the marketplace if only we can manage the technologies which are like the streams that flew into the ocean. And where do these rivers come from? The basic scientific efforts constitute the springs from which arise the technological rivers, and this is where my hope arises from. We are all aware of the excellent track record of Indian scientists and their sustained world class achievements in basic research in several fields like mathematics, physics, chemistry, life sciences, and engineering sciences. In addition, a number of studies were taken up by different researchers in varied subjects in different parts of the country. Para, our science has been internally competitive and naturally, therefore, our technologies can also be, but they are not at the moment. Let us face it. This is the basis for my hope of the future of our technological growth. I realize that signal achievement have been registered despite severe constraint in infrastructure like power supply, water supply, instrumentation, or other facilities. Para, I know that often it is only the excitement of science that has kept a large number of our scientists extraordinarily motivated. I am also aware that rapid achievements in the world scene. We will try to do all we can do to promote basic research in a way that the asset that we have come to possess over the years becomes source of ever growing capital, that our science truly functions like the springs from which emerge new technologies and thereby marketable products and processes. The chain has to be connected and strengthened. There is much to be done in the sphere of establishing connection.